morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021.
Please stand for the pledge of the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you, and please have a seat. This month is Women's History Month. Today we'll be honoring Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg was born on March 15, 1933 in Brooklyn, New York. Justice Ginsburg's mother was determined that her daughter receive a good education. She graduated from Cornell University and eventually graduated top of her class from Columbia Law School. While facing gender inequality, Ginsburg learned Swedish and published a book about law in Sweden. All at home, Ginsburg fought for gender equality. In 1980, she was appointed to the U.S. Court of Appeals by President Carter. In 1993, she was appointed to the United States Supreme Court by President Clinton. Throughout her career on the Supreme Court, Justice Ginsburg fought for equality for all and became known for her spirited opinions.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Matthew, to announce our Falcon.
Today we have several friendly Falcons from Miss Bermuda's class. Jacob was nominated by Jaden because he doesn't scream at Jaden anymore. Zeke was also nominated by Jaden. Jaden says Zeke would always play with him, is a good friend, and always helps. Parker was also nominated by several classmates. Alexis says Parker is her best friend, is calm, and doesn't get crazy about stuff. William says Parker is nice. Thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This week is Read Across America Week. Let's celebrate by reading together. Today is Dr. Seuss's birthday! Happy birthday! Tomorrow is Read a Silly Story Day. Wear something silly.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 58 and a low of 37.
Happy birthday to Anya
Fayside, Samari Johnson, Kabatula Youthman, and Dr. Seuss.
Today in history, in 1836, Texas declares independence from Mexico on Sam Houston's 43rd birthday.
Today is National Dr. Seuss Day. This day celebrates the birthday of the beloved author, Dr. Seuss. Happy birthday! In the headlines, New Jersey plumber drives 22 hours with equipment to help out a stressed-out Texan. When the people of Texas had their pipes burst, this hero on wheels started to drive to Texas from New Jersey. When he packed his supplies, which were worth around $2,000, he then made the drive from Morristown to Houston.
Today's fun fact is blue whales grow 200 pounds per day.
That's crazy.
What?
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Max, how many apples grow on a tree?
I don't know how many.
All of them. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Lily. That's Larry and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum.